हर सुबह उठ के बहुत बात करने का मन करता है, इसलिए ऑन संडे आई रिकॉर्ड। जो लास्ट वीडियो मुझे जो आज एडिट करनी है वो भी मैंने संडे को रिकॉर्ड करी थी, बिकॉज संडेज आर वेरी बोरिंग फॉर मी व्हेन आई एम अलोन। बट व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू go to internship and I used to have just one day that was Sunday with me, because other days were working majorly. I used to be very very grateful about Sundays and I was like, Sunday. But when I'm here, I'm like, wow, Sunday. Now what do I do on a Sunday? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I did my internship at Jaipur Rugs, which is an Indian-based company. They deal with carpets, rugs, and they work with certain group of artisans across the country, and even they are going global right now. So it's a very big brand. I worked there. My working experience was really nice. There were few things in the company which I really really liked. Apart from yoga and regular food services, I really like the way they discuss things with the team. I got to learn a lot of things. The carpet industry is really very very huge and very very interesting. Most interesting part for me was the handloom rugs. I got to know about handloom at the end, so I was not able to work on handloom much. That 5 things I learned at my internship, like it's very generic. I learned a lot about myself and what I want to pursue. I always had a very different visualization of home sector, but it's not the way I imagined it to be. It's so much better. So yes, I don't mind doing home in future. I pushed myself to do things I didn't want it to do, and I have been introduced to a lot of new things I didn't knew about. It was actually helping to build my foundations, how to do the CAD designs, learning how to make a shade card, learning how to just select the color, how to do reverse brainstorming when the actual brainstorming is not working, how to actually sit and make concepts for rugs, because I forgot to mention that my internship was in research and development department, which deals with majorly designs only. In my internship, I found myself doubting a lot in the decision making process. I used to always doubt whether this concept is good or not, whether I should do this or not, whether I should start this another concept, and I was lacking so much of confidence, which tells me a lot about myself, that I don't know how to take a stand for myself. Which is very sad. You need to tell the other person what is going inside in your head. Just fake it if you can't show up confidently, but don't be that one indecisive person. Talk to everyone, learn about them, how they started, ask them the questions. Everyone brings a new perspective on the table. If you don't talk to them, you will not know their stories. You will not know how they started and how they were. My mentor, she was also from textile department,
but then she is doing the work related to FC wear. So that was a new perspective to me, and also how I used to think about myself that I am always an FC goalie, but not being able to take up FC.
You are here to learn. You are here to learn. Did I mention that my jury is on 3rd? On 3rd, so I need to complete my documentation before 30th.
Okay, let's do this. I'm making an idiot out of myself. I really appreciate this. I know. How do I look?
That's fine. God knows where I am now. Oh, I guess.
I just uploaded a project on Behance. Hi, a little update about my document. Today is Monday, so it's like it took me 1 week to complete my full document with everything. मैंने प्रिंटिंग के लिए दिया है आज सुबह, and I'm hoping document अच्छा. Really got my document. I'm going to show you how it is from the inside. About Jaipur Rugs, the overview of the company and everything. The printing is actually really good. It's 130 GSM.
And quality is also even so clean, and I really like it.
Number 2, where I talk about their initiatives. about the company and everything they've done. Now the chapter 3 is all about the carpets. Look at the quality, it's so good. Then these are the finishing processes. Now these are the projects I did there. The faces.
Then we have another collection. There's one more collection.
Every layout is printed. This is the another collection. That's me. That's my document. Now I will see you on the jury day. So last 2 things for my industry internship. Jury is the PPT and the learning diary. So मैंने cost sheet नहीं डाली है अपने document में. So I'm थोड़ा सा डरा हुआ उस चीज़ को लेके. But I already have an answer to it कि अगर सर मुझे बोलेंगे कि cost sheet क्यों नहीं डाली तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी.
Supposed to go. I'm supposed to take her out. We're supposed to exhaust my prepared subjects immediately. And then the minute I get up and go to the bathroom, she
Slay. I am home. Jury went amazing. They were very much interested. They asked me a couple of questions. Also, मेरा roll number थोड़ा बीच में आता है. So and then मैं उनको अपने projects पे ले आई and I explained it so well. It was nice. It was really nice.
I would like to tell you कि अगर आप कभी internship या कहीं पे भी job करते हैं तो learn sign language, at least one gesture. It is this, this and this. Ask for help. Just go for it. Ask for help.
Get an Ashmita with you so that you can control your anger. Anger issues को ऐसे किया जाता है.
Clean your PC. Yes, just clean your mails and drive. Always take your own pictures. किसी और के phone से मत लेना.
Always give. It's okay if you are sleep deprived. Forever. बाप रे मेरे काम करके मैं चलती मैं एकदम.
तुम क्या कहना चाहोगी?
मैं कहना चाहूँगी that you should know when to put your foot down because तुम्हारे seniors हो सकते हैं ते कर लो. But if you are being overworked, tell them that excuse me, आप मुझे ऐसे बिना पैसे के इतना काम नहीं करवा सकते. Stay away from dirty washrooms.
Yeah, exactly. Find an internship that is near to your place. Not 3 hours away. तुमने सुबह metro में से.
Yes, हर दिन metro में नहीं हो पाता. नहीं.
Have good food.
Yeah. And have juice. Always stay hydrated. And don't take anybody seriously because even they don't know what.
Don't even take yourself seriously.
Exactly. Don't feel bad if you get a scolding. It's okay. Yeah, cry. कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. Just cry. Yeah. तो सब बोलेंगे. और कभी ये बोल के कि मैं बीमार हूँ और छुट्टी मार लेना is not a bad thing. It's okay.
जिंदगी में और धोखे कभी भी मिल सकते हैं. Stay safe, survive.
Bye बोल दो.
Before ending this video, I quickly wanted to tell you about the full process from the starting. Like semester 6, it's all about the internship. People around you will talk about internship. Some people will get internship बहुत जल्दी. Some people going to LinkedIn daily, looking out for the companies and the brands, finding emails out, then drafting email. And 1-2 email भेजने से कुछ नहीं होता. You need to send at least 30 emails, 30 to 20 emails कम से कम. उनमें से भी जाके 5 to 6 will reply क्योंकि they are very busy. For sure that you are not the only one sending them the email. बहुत सारे जने और भी भेज रहे होते हैं all around the NIFT campus. You have to be very particular about few things. You need to make sure you complete your portfolio on time and you start sending things. I wanted my internship to be in Bombay. I had planned so much, but I did not get any internship there. And later I got reply from Jaipur Rugs. They took my interview. I had to give 2 interviews. Don't be stressed about things. You will eventually get internship. हो सकता है stipend नहीं दे, हो सकता है stipend बहुत कम दे. But eventually at the end of the day you will find internship. मैंने बहुत सारा emails तो अलग अलग ईमेल से भी भेजा है. You never know कि कौन से टाइम पे वो खोल रहा है. Mostly like send it in the morning or after lunch time. Make sure your portfolio CV is updated. I need to get my nails done. ये वाला तो सारा ख़राब हो गया है, मैंने ऐसे टेंशन में आके सब कुछ उतार दिया है। ऑल्सो मैं लास्ट 4 दिन से घर पे थी, मैं आज ही बाहर निकली हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है। कल तो क्या मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन हुआ है भाई, अमेजिंग। आई एम डूइंग बेटर टुडे। Bye. Thank you for sharing this space with me. I love you guys so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.
कर तू डांस कर